is handling his best super class of his 7 clean sheets already. And the victory. Captain on the side. Super calling. I've also taught a bit at St. Francis Senior High School. So there we go. For the first 45 minutes. There's Kotoko taking on Asante. Kotoko still looking for the big man Asante. First one, that's a big save coming from Benjamin Atari. Oh my God.
It feels like it seems he's a bit ahead and is on the pitch at the moment.
So just look at an incident. Asante for the Porcupine Warriors, and certainly you expect this man to stay on the turf. And made it panic, anything out of this. The reins of Asante Kotoko back in 2020-21 season, but wait for it, this is a big chance for Kotoko, especially from the men in the red. Yes, Asante going to be a long shot there, and again
the attackers are very fast, very quick on the ball, and they are great.
Kotoko back for now. Hold on for a minute. There's Hussein, looking for Martin, big shot. Kamara comes out, giving a chase. Burkina Faso's Rahimo FC. They struck inside. Aqua, wasting, for free kick loading. Best of header from Samba O'Neill. Peter Midwap. Scottos fancy enjoying the game for you. Drummond. He's looking for Kakari Pitsim. This been given a bit of activity down the left hand side. Patrick Asiedu. Who wins it? Oh, here, lovely answer. Oh my goodness. Oh, they went down by Martin Kakari. Finds his leads man. Comes out on his eyes to death. Patrick O'Neill. It's a bit dangerous from the Drummond. It's kept on the field by Aqua. Sets in the color. Oh my goodness. And did not really find the intended target. That was a very bizarre defending.
And this should have been the first goal for Kotoko. You can't be casual. You cannot be casual in this game.
Nearly gifting away that glorious opportunity, but just look at it, textbook header from Ahmed Anwar, the man who needs to be watched. But fantastic curler into the tunnel. But Ahmed hits it away. Oh, lovely play. Here's Ahmed Anwar. To this big Kotoko's opening up, brilliant defending. That is classic snap opportunity. Ahmed Anwar, watch it again. Look at the fitness of the pads. The quality of the tag from the striker, but again, you need
the Graham of Fox fans were calling for his inclusion in this game.
The sound is deafening. Indeed, this is lovely play on this to shoot into the middle. It's a big movement. Martin Kakari, Salimana. Oh, lovely play. Here they're stopping up watching. Oh my goodness, it's flashed away. And Patrick Asiedu
has started dictating the pace in the second half.
Well, that was fantastic work from Martin Kakari, found Salim Adams, and that is a very clever defense splitting pass to Kwame Boateng, and again a lot of credit to the man in the 17th shed, Patrick Asiedu. And as usual, the two men across section of defense. Phil, I'm sure you are in love with the atmosphere, you are in love with it.
Sending clear signals to all the clubs that they are in.
Wait, Phil, well, good, that's a big serve from Kamara. What I've got to tell you, don't give him so much space. Climb a play from Collinson to finish Maka.
A beautiful pass by Collison, and I believe Wayo should have made more of this chance.
5 minutes up, and there's no time, isn't it? We don't fall at this moment. Kotoko will have to attack. Asante. Asante!